Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As a continuity of last portion on the unit number 6, finally I worked on endoplasmic reticulum. Now endoplasmic reticulum is over. The continuity is vacuole. So vacuole, the ideas behind vacuole, today we are going to work. In the case of vacuole, the vacuole is an organelle. If we take this note, okay, you can bring this note in a point form. Some children ask to write it in big letters. It is a fluid filled organelle. It is a fluid filled organelle found in the plant cells, which is surrounded by a membrane, right? It is surrounded by a membrane. If we take the plant cell, now for an example, let's take this is a plant cell. In the plant cell, this organelle will take the center part. The component, this is a membrane. So this membrane, do the arrow on the other side. Okay, do the arrow on the other side. This membrane is tonoplast, and this is cell sap. So vacuole has an outer membrane called tonoplast, and inside there is a juice called cell sap. So they say here the membrane that surrounds the vacuole is called tonoplast. You have to draw the diagram. The fluid in it is called cell sap. In the cell sap, what are the components present? Water there, sugar there, pigments are there. Okay. In the animal cells, we generally don't find vacuoles, but some animal cells can have small size vacuoles. Your textbook has a wrong spelling there. Small size vacuoles can be there. Okay. And in the unicellular organisms, let me show you a unicellular organism here. Okay. Amoeba. Let us go to the amoeba. Amoeba has a contractile vacuole. Who has a contractile vacuole? Amoeba has a contractile vacuole. Okay. So look at this diagram. Right. In this diagram, I'm taking this diagram. You need to draw this diagram. Right. Let us paste it here. So this is amoeba. This amoeba has a contractile vacuole. Which is the contractile vacuole here? Here. This is the contractile vacuole. So what is the, see, so who are the animals having contractile vacuole? Amoeba, paramecium like unicellular organisms. One example is amoeba, other example is paramecium. Right. What are the functions of vacuole? Functions. Number one, maintenance of the water balance when not allowing the water to increase or decrease more than a limit. Second, support and provision of colors to the cells, okay, by the pigments within it. Only two functions maintained. Giving color, okay, giving color. Another one is water balance. So the overall note here is vacuole is a fluid-filled large organelle found in the plant cells, which is surrounded by a membrane. The membrane that surrounds the vacuole is known as tonoplast. The fluid contained in it is known as cell sap. Water, sugar, ions and pigments are stored in the vacuole. Okay. Generally, animal cells don't have vacuoles, but small vacuoles can present. Here the amoeba diagram, here you have to label it as contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is found in amoeba, paramecium like unicellular organisms. The overall function of it is water balance, supporting. Okay, supporting is one function. Third function, we can say provision of color to cells. Okay, right. So those are the answers. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.